Alright, so your job today is to set up story problems and use systems to solve those story problems. So we're going to go ahead and do that with this example right here. The cost of a cab for Mikey's Cabs is $3.50 plus 25 cents per mile. You can almost stop right there and write an equation. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Cost is $3.50 plus 25 cents per mile. Okay, so just like from the last unit and what we talked about writing equations, you're going to have to do this multiple times. You're going to have to get good at it. Okay, so that's Mikey's Cabs. Billy Bob's Cabs is $2 plus 40 cents per mile. So I'm going to do that equation right below it. Cost is, and notice I didn't use B for Billy and M for Mikey or anything. It's still cost. We're comparing the dollar amount compared to the number of miles driven. We don't care what the name of the cab company is called. So the cost is, for Billy Bob, $2, I'm going to put the zeros just so you can see it, plus 40 cents per mile, so 0.40 m. Okay, and there you got two equations, two variables. You should be able to use substitution or elimination. So give me your prediction. What would you use, substitution or elimination? And you should use substitution rather, because C equals 350 plus 0.25 m. I'm going to stick it right there. So this bottom equation becomes 350 plus 0.25 m equals $2 plus 0.40 m, and I'll use basic algebra to solve that one. I'm not going to finish it because you can do that on your own. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go to the next slide and help you set up another one. Okay, so here we go. Let's try this one. You're selling tickets for a high school. Let me get this out of the way. Here we go. For high school basketball games, student tickets cost $3, and general admission costs $5. So it sounds like we got student tickets, and we've got general admission tickets. Okay. You sell a total of 350 tickets and collect $1,450. How many of each type of ticket did you sell? So it sounds like we sold a total of 350 tickets. So that means, we're going to have to come back and see what that means. But I see some dollar amounts. Student tickets are $3, so $3 for S's, plus $5 for general admissions, $5 for G's, and this is all money, right? So if we're dealing all with money in this equation, I'm going to put the total amount of money collected on the end, $1,450. Okay, so still got this 350 and nothing else to go with it. So it says a total of double total, I guess. It says a total of 350 tickets. So I know that's the total. I'm going to put it on the right. So I just got to think, what adds up to 350 using S's and G's? And that would be the total number of S's, student tickets sold, the total number of G's, the general admissions sold. So I'm just going to do the S's plus the G's is a total of 350. So now, looking at this, you better recognize that this is a elimination problem. I'm going to take this bottom equation times -3, and that's going to put a -3s right here, and I should be able to solve it using elimination. Okay. One more problem here. I'm going to skip that one. Let me do a different one here. It's too big. You can't even read the whole thing. Here we go. Missy Elliott loves to shop at Neiman Marcus. Last Saturday she bought a total of 26 clothing items. Wait a second. There it is again. A total of 26 items. I think that's going to be my first equation. All the items add up to 26. What did she buy? She bought shirts that cost $125. She bought pants that cost $225. Must be leopard print or something crazy like that. And she spent $49.50. It'd be nice to have that kind of money to spend for some crazy videos. Can she work it? Let me work it. Okay, here we go. So each shirt costs $125 or $125. $125 for shirts. So we got S's for shirts and P for pants. Those are my two variables, S's and P's. $125 for shirts plus $225 for pants. Oh shoot, I gotta erase. Eraser. And her total is $49.50. Okay, so what adds up to 26? The total number of shirts plus the total number of pants. Watch out for that. When you see a total number of like items or total number of animals or total number of tickets or whatever, it's usually going to be an equation like this, a total equation, S's plus P's. So what adds up to that total? So on and so forth. So this is a, once again, elimination or substitution. I'd be using elimination. Okay, take the top one times negative 125, and that'll put negative 125 right there, negative 125 right there, whatever big negative number that is right there, and you could use elimination. So this should at least give you an idea on how to set up story problems. Try setting a couple up on your own and see if it makes sense. Okay, enjoy.